And now, before we kick off the networking break, we have one more special surprise for you. Trivie unfortunately cannot be here today, but they recorded a live video and demo for you guys. So unfortunately, we won't be able for any chats, but of course, we integrated the Calendly link so you can really book a meeting later on and discuss with them. And now I'm very happy to kind of see this amazing product again and welcome all of you to watch.
Hello, my name is Lindsay Putterman. I am the Director of Strategic Alliances with Trivie, and today I'm going to be walking you through a quick presentation and then straight into the demo so that you can see why Trivie is the knowledge retention company. Now, knowledge is the most valuable asset in any company, and Trivie has created a solution that helps dramatically improve knowledge retention inside of your company. And, starting with the problem there, it's not really a problem in that it happens to literally everyone. People forget. We know they're going to forget. We all do it. And Trivie starts with the end in mind. We're thinking about the fact that people are going to forget and how do we solve that problem. So that's what we do with Trivie. We solve the forgetting problem. And we do that with an easy to use user interface that can be accessed from a mobile app or from a browser, and a self-service management system that allows you to see data analytics, benchmarking what people understand and what they don't understand that you may need to address. The use cases for Trivie are unbounded. You're able to utilize it for anything within your company that you want people to know. That can range from brand knowledge, soft skills like leadership and development, diversity and inclusion. It can range all the way to compliance, to safety. And we have data points that prove that Trivie decreases safety incidences in companies, increases sales in companies, and increases overall learning and comprehension in companies as well. Our clients range across the Fortune 1000, and the reason why they come to Trivie is because it's an easy to use platform for learning. The uptick with Trivie is really a matter of minutes, and there is no training that needs to take place for the learner, so it's very scalable. We also utilize our award-winning #1 game platform to drive engagement with Trivie and your learning initiatives and long-term knowledge retention. Our open API allows for you to integrate the data and analytics that you find within Trivie into any LMS, or to pull Active Directory information into Trivie to allow for single sign-on. Now, as I mentioned, we do have a number of clients across the Fortune 1000, and one of the things that's been incredibly important to them is that Trivie is able to be whitelisted to their brand. So logo, background image, color scheme, it will all look familiar to the learner and in line with your brand. At this point, I'm going to lead into the demo. Let me pull that up for everyone here. Now I'm going to be walking you through the user interface, and the user interface again is what the learner is going to see within Trivie. But keep in mind there's an entire management system on the back end where you're able to see the data analytics, identifying knowledge gaps across an organization. With Trivie, learners will only see what's applicable to them, so it's incredibly efficient for them to engage with. And you're able to actually deliver videos, PDFs, PowerPoints within Trivie that you may want to reinforce. So that can be related to communications, return to work. Here's our new policy. Now let's make sure that you read it and that you understand it by quizzing you. And while it is a quiz, it's delivered in a fun trivia game format. It comes along with sound, with music. You can engage with power-ups to eliminate an incorrect answer or see how other people have answered in the past. And once you've completed a game within Trivie, you're able to engage with a number of gamification features. You can see how well you've done, see if you've earned badges, challenge your peers to beat your score. You can engage with assessments and benchmarks in Trivie to capture a baseline knowledge. And you can utilize Trivie's AI-driven reinforcement tool that creates a personal proficiency map for each individual learner. You can also utilize Trivie's notifications tool to send notifications to learners, encouraging them to engage with the learning.
So this was amazing. I'm really, really excited always about Trivie's demo. So please, if you want to talk to them, book a Calendly meeting.